The discrete type of problems, you can get a table value. That is for x is equal to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. So this is discrete type of values. Now let us do the problem. This table contains one unknown, that is k. So first idea is to find the value of k. So easy way, for probability density function, it is one property, total probability is equal to 1. So the probabilities are 1 by 10 k, 1 by 5 2k, 3 by 10 3k are the given probabilities. So first you add this total 6 terms and its result should be 1. So that is, we can take the total value is equal to 1. So 1 by 10 plus 1k plus 1 by 5, 2k plus 3 by 10 plus 3k is equal to 1. So 6k plus 6 by 10 is equal to 1. From this, we can easily get k is equal to 1 by 15. Now we can rewrite this table by substituting the value of k. That is, in this table, we can put the value of k. So k is equal to 1 by 15. That is, the new table is of the form minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 1 by 10, 1 by 15, 1 by 5, 2 by 15, 3 by 10 and 3 by 15. Now the remaining parts we should use this table only. So what is the second part, that is p of x is p of x less than 2. P of x less than 2 means here 2 is not included. All the values other than or less than 2. So total we have 6 values. X is equal to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Out of the 6 values, we need the less than 2 times. So less than 2 means from this 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2. That is total 4 values. So that is probability of x is equal to minus 2 plus probability of x is equal to minus 1 plus probability of x is equal to 0 and probability of x is equal to 1. Add all these 4 terms, we can get 1 by 2. So your answer should be lies between 0 and 1, because probability of minus 2 less than x less than 2. That is, the values lies between minus 2 and plus 2. Here minus 2 and plus 2 are excluded. So the values are minus 1, 0, 1. And we can take its corresponding probabilities. That is, for probability of x is equal to minus 1, 1 by 15, x is equal to 0, that is 1 by 5, and x is equal to 1, 2 by 15. The resultant value is equal to 1 by 15. Sorry, 2 by 5. Now the fourth one, density function or cumulative density distribution function or cumulative density function CDF. What is the meaning of cumulative? It add the all back values. So that is previous values. So here we need some explanations. The probability function is defined from R to closed interval 0, 1. So x takes the values minus infinity to plus infinity, and its probability is only lies between minus 0 and plus 1. So here we have to take all the values in between minus infinity to plus infinity. So f of x is equal to, cumulative function f of x is equal to, we start with the minus infinity. That is, probability of x is equal to minus infinity, then etc increasing up to probability of x is equal to minus 3, because we just take the next smaller value next to minus 2. So that is up to minus 3. Here we have the functions minus 2 to 2. So all the remaining values of x, probability is equal to 0. In all the questions, the other values other than x, given x values, the probability is equal to 0. So that is, this minus infinity up to this 0 value is equal to 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus etc 0, that is equal to 0. That is, for x less than 2, probability is f of x is equal to 0. Now you use the term that is, this is the definition for cumulative density function capital f of x. So whatever here that we can write it here, that is a trick. If f of x, that is here we use this small. So whatever here that we can write it here, that is a trick. If f of x, that is here we use this small x. Now what is the first value of the given x? X is equal to minus 2. So f of minus 2 is equal to probability of capital X less than or equal to minus 2. You take the same term, that is minus 2. What is x less than or equal to minus 2? That is x takes the values from minus infinity to plus 2. X takes the values minus infinity to minus, not plus 2, minus 2. That is, that can be split into two terms. That is, probability of minus infinity less than x less than 2 plus probability of x is equal to minus 2. Now this value is equal to 0 because all the values are other than given x values. So that is equal to 0. And from the table, from the given table, probability of x is equal to minus 2 is equal to 1 by. Now f of minus 1. Now f of minus 1 is equal to probability of x less than or equal to minus 1. You take the same value here, minus 1, you can put here also minus 1. So this is equal to probability of minus infinity less than x less than minus 2 plus probability of x is equal to minus 2 plus probability of x is equal to minus 1. But these two values, probability of minus infinity less than x less than minus 2 plus probability x is equal to minus 2, that value is equal to 1 by 10. So we can substitute here plus the new term, that is probability of x is equal to minus 1, that is equal to 1 by 15. So total is equal to 1 by 6. Similarly, f of 0 is equal to probability of minus infinity less than x less than minus 2 plus probability of x is equal to minus 2 plus probability of x is equal to minus 1 and last value, that is probability of x is equal to 0. So up to this is f of minus 1. So we can substitute 1 by 6 here, remaining the new term, that is probability of x is equal to 0, that is 1 by the new term. So that is 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15 is equal to 1 by 6. Next, f of 0. So you take this value plus probability of x is equal to 0. That is equal to what? 1 by 6 plus 1 by 5 is equal to 11 by 13. So what is the next one? F of 1 is equal to, you just take this previous one, that is f of 0 plus p of x is equal to. So this can be written as, this is equal to f of 0. This is equal to f of 0 plus p of x is equal to 1. So that is f of 0 plus p of x is equal to 1. That is 11 by 13, 30 plus 2 by 15. So that is equal to, last answer, 1 by 2. So similarly, we can write the remaining two terms. So what is the value? F of 2. So that is f of 2 is equal to f of 1. F of 2 is equal to f of 1 plus p of x is equal to 2. So that is equal to this 4 by 5. And f of 3 is equal to f of 2 plus probability of x is equal to 2. That is equal to 15 by 15 equal to 1. So our x takes the value. What is our x value? X takes the value minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So when you reach this 3, your probability value should be 1. Because we add all the terms. So total probability is equal to 1. That means f of 3 is equal to 1. Otherwise your answer must be wrong. So now how to write the function? So probability mass function f of x is equal to, you start from this minus 2, x less than minus 2, its value is equal to 0. And the probability lies between minus 2 and minus 1. So you split into intervals. What are the intervals? That is minus infinity to here minus 2. So this is one interval. Then that is equal to -1. This one interval. Then equal to 0. This is another interval. Then 1, 2, then 3. So in between minus infinity to minus 2. Here 2 minus 2 is not included. So that is equal to 0. Now minus 2 included and minus 1 excluded. That is this interval. So its value is, you take this part, that is probability of minus 2 less than or equal to x. That value is equal to, this is called capital F of 2, f of minus 2. That value is equal to 1 by 10. Then this one, that is 1 by 6. Then 11 by 13, etc. So last one, don't take less than or equal to, because this value is x greater than or equal to, because for any value greater than 4, for any value greater than 3, if you take this 4, what is 4? F of 3 plus probability of x is equal to 4. But x is equal to 4. For x is equal to 4, probability is equal to 0. We have the values up to 2 and 3 only. So other than 3, value is equal to 0. So this value is equal to 0. But f of 3 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So for all values greater than 3, its value is equal to 1. So here we write x greater than or equal to 3 is equal to 1. So this is the cumulative density function for the given random variable. Now mean. Formula expectation of x. Whatever inside the expectation, you should write inside the summation. So if here x, you write x here, then p of x. So what is its meaning? Its meaning is, you take, this x and multiply this probability, plus you take this minus 1 and multiply this probability, and 0 multiply with 1 by 5. Take 1 multiply with 2 by 5, etc. So this into this plus, this into this plus, etc. This into this. So total you can get the expectation value. What is expectation of x square? You take this square and multiply by this plus, and take this square with multiply this 1 by 15. So minus 2 whole square into 1 by 10 plus, minus 1 whole square into 1 by 15 plus, etc. etc. up to 3 square into 3 by 15. So that is the value for expectation of x square. So expectation of x square is equal to this one. Now what is variance? Variance is equal to expectation of x square minus expectation of x the whole square. So that is 18 by 5 minus 16 by 15 the whole square. So that is 554 divided by 225. If this video is useful, just share and support.